So we are in Cincon Electronics booth with Kit Lin, field application engineers in Cincon. Hi Kit.
Hello everybody. Hi Julio.
Hi Kit. Please explain your Cincon news in this embedded exhibition. Please.
Okay. So today we have LFN. This is our new family. Yeah, it's a very compact size. Yeah, you can see, and we have 200 watt all the way to 750 watts. So like 200 watt, this is 2x3 inch, and we have 2x4 and 3x5 inch, and this is 3x6 inch. So we have a very wide portfolio of this family, and the key feature is this is designed with fast plane cooling. So it is very easy to get the heat out. You just need to attach on the heatsink in your application. Yeah, so it's no need any fan cooling. So it is very reliable for your system. Okay, another new product is our open plane. So this is a PCB mounting. Yeah, so it's very easy to like embedded system to use because it's a PCB mount, and from 0 volt all the way to 60 watts. Yeah, and also we offer encapsulated. Yeah, this is very suitable for like harsh environment or dash environment. Okay, another new product is our wide input range, ultra wide. Yeah, see the input range from 85 to 160. So we have like this one is 10 watts. Yeah, in tip 16, and then 40 watts. 100 watt and 150 watt and 200 watt. Yeah, so from 10 watt to 200 watt, yeah, we have this converter with ultra wide input. So you can use in not only railway but also industrial. Yeah, so you just use one converter can cover a lot of different applications. So it is very useful. Okay, now in this family, it's ultra high input from 180 to 450 volts. So this is actually designed for like high input application. So we have customer use this product in like a drone application and even defense application. And in this family, we have 70 watt all the way to 750 watts. Okay.
Yes.
Another our family is CBM. CBM is all I can say total solution. So it already include everything inside, like fuse and the buck capacitor and the EMI fields already inside to meet all of the standard and the safety regulations. And also the family is a very wide portfolio from 70 watts, 100 watts, 150 watts, and 300 watts.
And Kit, what we have here?
This is our PDF 700. It's a 4-brick 700 watts. Yeah, but of course you need redesign PCB with the component EMI field. Yeah, outside. Yeah, but the power density is very high. It's 700 watt in a 4-brick. And this one is different. This one is front end PFC The output is a high voltage, 390 volts. So usually we go with our DC-DC high voltage input. At the end. About our open fan, so you can see from 130 watt all the way to 500 watt, and we have open fan type and best sprinkling type and encapsulated type. So we offer a lot of different package for our open fan. Okay, right now we talk about our DC-DC brake. We have a very strong DC-DC technology. So like this is 500 watt in half brake, and this one is 400 watt in full brake. But this is for low input voltage from 80 to 36. And this one is high input voltage and 750 watt in full brake. Okay. And just recently we will release this is 1500 watt in full brake with high input voltage 300 input.
And Kit, have you a DC-DC medical approved?
Yeah. Recently we developed a new product, DC-DC medical approved converter. It is very rare to see in the market because in the market you just can see low power under 60 watts DC-DC medical power. But Cincon have very strong DC-DC brake technology, so that's why we developed this CHM 150 watts for DC-DC medical use. Okay, so this product actually designed for solar or wind power, and the input range is so wide, so it's very suitable for unstable voltage. So the output is stable, and you can charge your battery, or you can direct use on your system. And in this family, we have 15 watts all the way to 40 watts. That's all.
So thanks so much, Kit, for your explanations at this Cincon News.
Thank you everyone. Thank you, Julio. Thank you.
Thank you.